We have now entered the Sigiriya Rock Palace area. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a hiking trail, a morning walk along the ancient ruins.
What is the swimming pool here?
This is swimming pool.
The swimming pool here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 swimming pool here. So one queen here. Park here. In the ramparts, walk around here. It's 7 kilometers here.
7 kilometers.
Yeah, 7 kilometers here.
It's a historical site, and passing alongside the ancient ruins, many beautiful ponds. We can see in the distance the Sigiriya Rock Palace.
There's a lion rock here.
Lion Rock.
There's a lion rock here. That's a beautiful, eh?
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
All of a sudden there is a huge rock.
Yeah, yes, a rock here, yes.
Sigiriya is an ancient rock fortress. The name refers to a site of historical and archaeological significance that is dominated by a massive column of rock nearly 200 meters high, and it is said to have been built by King Kasyapa.
See me in the dark. But the night time with the reflection here. Some on stone here. Or the electrical system before here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, sunlight with the reflection here.
So sunlight will reflect this
Yeah,
white.
reflection is
And
here.
in the night, moonlight will
Moonlight,
reflect.
yeah.
Ancient engineering.
What's the white color?
Uh-huh.
So original painting.
Ah,
Before this original plaster or curtain here. It's original.
curtain. Ah.
What is a curtain here? Like a look, sir. You are raining time. For the plaster, not water here. For the inside here, it's a curtain here.
Wow. This is a natural curtain.
Yeah, natural curtain here.
These flowers.
Yeah, it's a flowers here. Like
And there is actually a painting
yeah, it's a
of a
painting.
lady.
There's a ladies painting. Painting here. Before this, 500 ladies woman painting is a cave here. Yes, in other words, the rocks.
As we get closer and closer to the rock, we can see the rock is towering above us. We still need to climb all the way towards the top.
Yeah. So enemy got the attack in fight in here. Another all this waiting got the ready here.
Those are all caves.
Yes, all cave here.
Wow. So historically, it is said that this rock resembles a lion's body. There used to be a lion's head as well, all carved into the granite rock face. As a result, still to this day, we can see the paws of the lion. It's a marvel of ancient engineering, carving a rock palace alongside the sheer vertical walls of this huge rock. Climbing up the staircases towards the top. And down below we can see the green vegetation, the forest, the flatlands of Sri Lanka.
1 day, 2 day, 3 day finish. So 1 day, 2 days.
Today is first day. Second day.
Second day.
We have now reached the top of the Sigiriya rock, and on the top we can find the ancient ruins of the palace of King Kasyapa.
Woo!
So I'm actually on top of this last step.
Oh!
Okay.
I'm
1,
on top
2,
of Sri
3,
Lanka.
small. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are on top of this lion rock at the ruins of the King Kasyapa palace with Suranga. Yeah?
Yeah.
our
guide.
our guide brother. So when you're visiting Sri Lanka, make sure to get a guide and get a detailed explanation of all the places that you're visiting. So you can see surrounding us is this breathtaking view, and we are actually on the ruins of the old palace, King Palace.
King swimming pool.
Swimming pool of King. Wow.
बाइक की पेट्रोल नदी आती
Infinity pool, eh? त्यो जमानामा. So that's the private swimming pool of King Kasyapa of Sri Lanka, all handcrafted into rock hard granite. And you can see that's the reservoir for drinking water. So that's the drinking water. Here it used to be like a garden, ancient garden. The level of ancient engineering here is mind-blowing. And you can see there's a throne for the king.
I come back. It's a nice view, eh?
Yes.
Got a swimming pool here. Suppose swimming pool. So behind this lily font. After the fountain here. What the palace here? What the summer palace?
After exploring the ancient rock palace, we made our way back on the road towards an exciting adventure.